A regiment of soldiers came to Mohill-o. A regiment of soldiers came to Mohill-o. And the captain on parade, he fell in love with a handsome maid. And the name that she was called was Handsome Polly-o. Will you list in the army, Handsome Polly-o? Will you list in the army, Handsome Polly-o? And you'll get a horse to ride with a rifle by your side, and a whole band of music going afore-ye-o. Didn't I give you your answer long, long ago? I gave you your answer long, long ago, that I ne'er intend to roam into any foreign soil, or to marry a poor soldier in the army, oh, and when she came in presence of her captain, oh, when she came in presence of her captain, as she made him there to stand with his cap and gun in hand, and she laughed him to scorn to his soldiers, the regiment got the rout into Ivy-o. The regiment got the rout into Ivy-o. But the captain, he fell sick, and he died all in a week. And it was all for the love of Handsome Polly-o. And all for the love of Handsome Polly-o. The captain, he fell sick, and he died all in a week. And it was all for the love of Handsome Polly-o. The soldiers came to mourn for their captain, the soldiers came to mourn for their captain, for if Polly wouldn't do, they would get a better view. There were far better girls out in Ivy-o.
Hey.